Yeah, the second part is called body. The portion of a news story that follows the lead is called the body. And it contains the information a reporter believes reader need to know. See, if you have the Hindu newspaper at home, that is today's newspaper, take today's newspaper, front page, that is, at, I have a friend, that is today's newspaper with me now. You can see if you want to have a good understanding of this body or the inverted pyramid style, please take today's newspaper Hindu, or if you have any other paper you can just read at first page, front page. I'm just reading the headline now. At 608, state registers its highest single day spike. This is actually the headline. Okay, headline is different from lead. Don't misunderstand, because even your seniors, they always had this the confusion. They always confuse lead with headline. Lead is different, headline is different. I'm reading the headline now. At 608, state registers its highest single day spike. So this is actually the headline. And the first paragraph here, this is actually the first paragraph. First paragraph is called the lead. A massive surge in local transmission of COVID 19 in the coastal hamlets in the capital district of Thiruvananthapuram has resulted in the state recordings its worst single day spike. Okay, this is actually the lead. And the following paragraphs. I think this is a long news with more than 10 paragraphs. So please read this, at least this news story today. And the paragraphs provide details that amplify the lead. It must amplify the meaning support, which it must be logically connected to the lead. They cannot add too many complex stories into one news story, so they have to be very clear in explaining their story. So that the details that they provide in the following paragraphs must amplify the lead, must support the lead. And subsequent paragraphs add less important details or introduce subordinate topics. So it will be in descending order, so less least important stories will come only in the at the bottom. And subsequent paragraphs actually add less important details, and as we said, introduce subordinate topics. That is, each paragraph presents additional informations like names, descriptions, even quotations, sometimes conflicting viewpoints, explanations, and even background data will be given. And the exact organization of a story will vary depending on the story's unique facts and most newsworthy points. So we cannot say that, oh, yeah, this is the structure. So the second, or sometimes even the third, fourth, maybe the fourth paragraphs should provide details that develop and support the lead. As I said, this front page news, that is states single day spike, highest single day spike. This got more than 8 paragraphs, this particular news story. So each paragraph should provide some detail. Understand? So each paragraph must provide some detail to the readers. The second paragraph in a news story is almost as important as the lead. So we should not think that the second, fourth, or the eighth paragraph is not important. Each paragraph must contain something, some idea, or some important news to convey to the reader. Second paragraph should emphasize the news, should provide a smooth logical transition from the lead, the following paragraphs. Okay, there must be a logical transition. After providing a smooth transition between the lead and the second paragraph, continue with the information about the topic. Avoid devoting entire second paragraph to background information. That is, the second paragraph is in a newspaper is almost as important as the lead, and almost as difficult even for the reporters to write. Like the lead, the second paragraph should emphasize the news. In addition, the second paragraph should provide a smooth transition from the lead to the following paragraphs. Some reporters, while writing their stories, second paragraph, they fail to emphasize the news. Other reporters fail to provide smooth transitions. So what happens, as a result, their stories seem dull or disorganized. So after providing a smooth transition between the lead and the second paragraph, the reporter